Hi, I'm Ben from Memberium, and in this video I'm going to show you how to offer a free trial on one of your subscription-based products. Many times site owners want to offer free trials to encourage members to sign up without any risk. After the free trial is over, you'll automatically bill their credit card since you've collected it during the initial sign-up process. Let me show you how to do that using Infusionsoft. First, come up here to the main navigation and then go to e-commerce setup right here. On the Promotions tab, that's right here, click Discounts, Free Trials, and Upsells. Up here in the top right, go ahead and press Add New and then Subscription Free Trial. Here, you'll enter the name of this promotion. So for example, I'm going to name mine 7-Day Gold, since that's going to be the subscription I'm selling, free trial. You can add a description if you'd like. I'm just going to leave mine for now. Where it says Subscription Plan Name, you're going to choose your subscription. So in this case, I'm going to choose Gold every month. And the free trial days, I'm going to input 7. That way they get a 7-day free trial. And of course, you can use any sort of amount of days that you'd like. 1 day, 2 day, 30 days, whatever. Go ahead and press Save now. So once you've saved that, you can come back over here to the e-commerce, go to e-commerce setup, go to your order forms, come find your order form for Gold, for example, right here. Click that. And what we'll do is we'll make sure that we actually have the correct product in the order form. So we'll type in Gold, and we want to make sure that we have the subscription here for the monthly. So we'll go ahead and add that right here. We'll allow them not to change the quantity. We'll save that. And now let's preview the order form. So as you can see on my order form here, yours would be customized, of course, but it says Gold, 7 days free, and then $3 per month. So after you set that part up, I do want to bring up something here inside of the campaign, something you might want to do. That is to send a reminder email before the trial ends. So in the product purchase, I have my product set up, Gold, $3 every month. That all is perfect. Inside of here, I'm applying their membership tag. So if we came in here, we'd see I'm applying the Gold membership, which is normal. And now what I can do is just set up a delay timer. Now, of course, you can add as many emails as you'd like, but I'll send one just 4 days in, and I'll run it any day. That's perfectly fine. And then I can send an email reminder saying that the trial is ongoing and that it's going to renew automatically. So you can send out as many of these emails as you'd like and just notify your customers, your members, before the trial expires. That way, if they do want to cancel, they can, but you're also reminding them to check into the trial and to access all the content that they have. That way you can show the value so they'll continue to stay subscribed. If you have any questions about this, reach out to our support team by emailing us support@memberium.com. Thank you. Hope you have a great day.